So we are dealing with inverse trigonometric functions today. So but before proceeding to the exercise, we need to understand some basic formula here. So the formula first, here it is sine inverse x plus sine inverse y equals sine inverse x times under root of 1 minus y square plus y times under root of 1 minus x square. So after that, here are two variables. One is sine inverse x, here it is sine inverse y. X and y are two different variables. So I am going to suppose this sine inverse x is angle A and sine inverse y is angle B. So let sine inverse x equals A, after that sine inverse y equals angle B. So it implies that x equals sine A, y equals, here it is sine B. So here the sign is plus, so we are going to use the formula for sine A plus B. We know sine A plus B. So the formula for sine A plus B will be sine A cos B plus cos A sine B, or sine A plus B remains the same. So what is the replacement for sine A? For sine A you can write that is x. For cos B we have to change that in terms of sign. So cos B is given by under root of 1 minus sine square B plus, for this cos A you change that in terms of sign. Cos A is under root of 1 minus sine square A, sine B you can replace that by y, or sine A plus B, x remains the same, under root 1 minus, here it is sine square B, but for sine B you can replace that by y, so it will be y square, 1 minus y square plus, write this y first, under root of 1 minus sine A. For sine A you can replace that by x, here it is sine square A, so write here x square, or you leave this A plus B just in left hand side, so A plus B, sine to right hand side, that will be sine inverse x times under root of 1 minus y square plus y times under root of 1 minus x square. So now we are leading the final conclusion. For this A you can write that as sine inverse x, so replace that by sine inverse x, plus for this B you can replace that by sine inverse y, so write that as sine inverse y. So after that sine inverse x plus sine inverse y, the formula here it will be sine inverse x times under root of 1 minus y square plus y times under root of 1 minus x square. So you remember one of this formula first here, sine inverse x plus sine inverse y, that will be sine inverse x times under root of 1 minus y square plus y times under root of 1 minus x square. So similarly, now this formula 2 will be sine inverse x minus sine inverse y. So the formula will be sine inverse x times under root of 1 minus y square minus y times of under root of 1 minus x square. Just we have to apply here the formula for sine A minus B. It will be sine A cos B minus cos A sine B.